Yo, it's your boy Trav back with another video. I'm sorry it's taking so long for this one to come out, but let's get right into it, y'all.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna have to voice over this part of the video because your boy screwed up. Bought a new camera, did not properly set it up, and well, here you have it. So if you notice, the car is already painted partially due to me attempting to paint the car on a very humid day. It's actually about to rain, and in a nutshell, the paint was not very happy at all. Me being me, I decided to redo the entire car. Had to make it right. Gotta make it up to my standards. So the customer hit me up. Was like, yo, Trav, I got a question. Is there any way you can make the color darker than the Spray-IT? I was like, sure. You know I got you. Your boy Trav got you. Went back into the lab. Came up with a nice custom Spray-IT for this one. If you notice on the after shots of this car, I have one side of it facing the sun, one side of it not facing the sun, and literally you can see this car will almost go from black to the complete color spectrum of the flakes, and that's due to the type of flakes I use, the hybrid type of flakes I use. Like literally you can use it to color the car, or you can use it to get an effect over the color. So basically in this Spray-IT, it is right, almost completely colored, but not completely colored. So it gives a really nice effect in the shade of black, and then it literally will go to the complete color spectrum. If you do follow the channel and you saw my shorts video of the bottom side of the hood of this car, that is actually the color, complete color. So you can use that to judge off of how different it is from the after shots.
One eternity later.